Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have permission and legal authority to change settings. That matters. Gather the device, the account email, and proof of ownership, receipts, serials, or account records. Once done, ask the parent or owner to join you. Make clear why you need access. If the parent agrees but forgot the code, move to account recovery together. Make sure to note the parental control app and OS version so you use the correct reset path. Once you have consent, follow official recovery flows. Start with the parental control app's Forgot PIN option. That often sends a reset link to the account email. If controls are tied to an Apple ID, Google account, or Microsoft account, perform the platform's password recovery together, using verified contact methods. For device-level locks, contact the manufacturer with proof of purchase so they can guide an authorized reset. Make sure to keep the parent present and involved through every step. For final steps, perform an authorized factory reset only if the account holder agrees and you've exhausted recovery options. This removes restrictions, but also erases data, so back up first. After reset, set a new parental PIN with a clear recovery email and write down recovery steps for the parent. If something goes wrong, unexpected prompts, locked accounts, stop and contact official support with purchase proof. That keeps the process lawful, transparent, and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.